The STARS Optimizer is an analytics platform designed to enable health insurers participating in Medicare Advantage plans to improve their Medicare STAR ratings. It does so through a blend of state-of-the-art machine learning algorithms, an intuitive user experience, and a bottom-line focused workflow. The summary view is designed to allow an executive to get a quick summary of STAR's progress across all contracts. In this screen, the user can track their STAR rating at the point in time, check their projected STAR rating based on data from previous years, and understand what the achievable goal STAR rating is based on actions recommended by the STARS Optimizer. In addition, the user also gets to see a trend of their progress towards their overall STARS goal based on the total number of points needed to hit the goal. This screen also shows the measures that have been changed the most since the last time the report was run, both in terms of absolute scores and percentage changes. Finally, it allows the user to get a sense of the measures that are recommended by the platform to achieve the desired plan-level goal STAR rating, and also track the progress along each of those measures at that point in time. From the summary view, a user can go into measure-level details for the specific contract in the recommendation screen. The screen is designed for a user who is involved in the details of planning a STAR strategy for the contract, for example, a STAR manager. This view tells the user exactly what domains and measures need to be increased and by how much to achieve their goal STAR rating. It shows the projected ratings and goal ratings at a measure level. The algorithm for measure-level projected rating is designed such that it continues to recalibrate as the plan progresses through the year and new data is generated from existing HEDIS or STAR engines. The ratings are calculated based on measure-level cutoffs that are, in turn, algorithmically predicted for the relevant year based on projected performances for all the participating MA contracts for the relevant year. The algorithms behind this platform also allow the user to input their contextual information on the ease of closure for each of the measures. Once that input is taken, the recommendations are dynamically altered. In addition to a visual representation that makes it easy to see where the opportunities lie at different levels of aggregation, this screen also allows the users to toggle to a tabular view with the same details. The recommended measures and the recommended goal ratings are highlighted for convenience. Once the user understands the measures that are going to be key in achieving the goal STAR rating, the next step is to design the campaigns for provider or member outreach. This screen shows the size of the target list for members and provider outreach. A detailed view can be achieved by clicking the target numbers. In this example, we clicked on the provider target list that took us to the provider screen. In this screen, the provider list for this particular measure can be found. A normalized score is assigned to each provider, which indicates the total gaps related to the goal measures that the provider is responsible for. Other details about the kinds of gaps and current compliance ratings are also available in this screen. This screen can also be arrived at without going through the measure level workflow. If the user is interested in just figuring out who the key providers are that can impact multiple measures, they can select the appropriate fillers and get desired insight. Similarly, a member level target list can also be arrived at from the recommendation screen. This screen gives a list of the members that qualify for that measure, along with a normalized score metric that indicates the number of goal measures that the member qualifies for. In addition, a likelihood of engagement score is calculated using machine learning algorithms and assigned to each member based on historic data. Other details, like dual eligibility and attributed provider, are also present so the user can slice and dice the view based on their preference. Similar to the provider screen, this screen can also be arrived at independently if the user only wants a target list of members that qualify for multiple measures. The STARS Optimizer analytics platform is one part of a suite of offerings that CitiusTech provides to enable health plans to reach their STAR rating goals. By using carefully crafted design elements and embedded intelligence to bridge the gap between information and action, we believe this platform succeeds in filling an important need in the STARS analytics space. Future enhancements for this platform include integration of the following capabilities: an intelligent way for campaign tracking, management, and reporting, ability for end users to input their desired goals and understand the resources needed, ability of the end user to input the resources available and understand the achievable rating with those resources, ability to run multiple experiments, including A/B test and calibrate strategy appropriately.